Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Uber application on your Android device. Whether you are getting ready to ride or drive with Uber, having an official app installed is your first step. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Uber and search. Look for the Uber Request a Ride this application on your device and tap on Install. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take several minutes. Once it is installed, click on the Open button to launch open Uber on your Android device. You can now go ahead and sign into Uber with your Google account, with your phone number, Apple ID, or with email. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.